This video explores how to code invoices in Farm Focus and demonstrates how automation tools such as coding rules and bulk actions can streamline the process. Once invoices have been received in Farm Focus, users can begin coding each line item. For recurring purchases, creating a coding rule is an effective way to save time and reduce manual entry. For example, if the farm regularly purchases Tuck's dog biscuits, a coding rule can be created to automatically code any invoice lines containing the word Tuck's. To create a coding rule, the user selects the three-dot menu beside the line item and chooses New Coding Rule. The system then prompts the user to define the criteria. In this case, the rule is based on the keyword Tuck's. Since the supplier may vary, the user removes the supplier and details fields to ensure the rule applies universally, regardless of where the product is purchased. The rule is then assigned to a relevant code, such as dog expenses, and the line description is cleared, allowing the original invoice description to be retained when the rule is applied. Optional management or cost tags can be added at this point, but in this example, none are selected. Once saved, the rule is active and Farm Focus will automatically apply the specified code whenever it detects the keyword in future invoices. A small icon will appear beside affected lines to indicate that a coding rule has been applied. During the coding process, invoices may include unnecessary $0 line items, which can be deleted to simplify the view. Users can select these lines individually or use the multi-select function to remove them in bulk. To assist with coding, users can filter invoices lines by all lines, uncoded lines, or other criteria. This helps focus attention on the lines that still need to be processed. Bulk coding is another time-saving feature. For instance, if several items, such as water system components, need to be coded to the same category, the user can select multiple lines and apply a single code to them all at once. Though a coding rule would be more efficient for frequent items, bulk coding is ideal for one-off or grouped purchases. Line merging is also supported. When two or more lines relate to the same purchase or project, they can be merged into a single line item. This simplifies the invoice and improves reporting clarity. Once merged, a single code can be applied to the combined line. After all applicable lines are coded, merged, or removed, the user saves the invoice. These automation tools, coding rules, bulk coding, merging, and $0 line removal help speed up the coding process while improving consistency and accuracy. To review or manage coding rules, users can go to Settings, Codes, Invoice Coding Rules. From there, they can edit, delete, or create rules manually. However, it is generally recommended to create rules directly from within an invoice, as this allows relevant data to auto-populate and reduces setup time. These tools form an essential part of efficient invoice processing in Farm Focus, helping to streamline repetitive tasks and ensure accurate cost allocation across the farming business.